For lesson 6 and 9, we're going to talk about lengths of segments and complementary and supplementary angles. So letters are often used to designate points. Recall that we may use 2 points to identify a line, array, or a segment. Below, we show a line that passes through points A and B. This line AB may be referred to as line AB or line BA. We may abbreviate line AB as AB with a little line over it, like we have right there. So the ray that begins at point A and passes through point B is ray AB, which may be abbreviated AB with an arrow going to the right there. And the portion of line AB between and including points A and B is segment AB or segment BA, which can be abbreviated AB with a line over it or like that. So in looking at the bottom one, in the figure below we can identify 3 segments. Segment WX, segment XY, and segment WY. The length of WX, there to there, plus the length of XY, there to there, is going to be equal to or the same as WY. Okay? Now, so remember, if we're going to abbreviate a line, it's AB with a line with both arrows on it. Okay? Array, we start at our end point. The point that we go through, we write with the arrow on that side. And segment just has a little segment above it. So, pause the video and go ahead and answer these questions. Once you have them answered, unpause it, and I'll write the answers up there. So pause the video right now, do the problems. Number 1, this is line AB. Show me how to write it using symbols. So we write AB with line with the 2 arrows on it. Number 2 is ray AB. Using symbols, I write AB. I put a ray above it. Okay. Segment AB, using symbols, put AB, and I just put a segment above it. Now, number 4, that is red, ray, LN. I write ray, LN. Here, it's red, segment, LN. Here, it's red line, LN. In this figure, the length of segment LM is 4 centimeters. So from here to here is 4 centimeters. And the length of L to N is 9 centimeters. We want to know what the length of segment MN is. Well, I have the whole, so if I take the whole minus the part I know, that's going to give me the part I don't know. So I take 9 minus 4, give me 5, I need a label, 5 centimeters. So MN should be 5 centimeters. So I have 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, so you're going to equal that full 9 centimeters. Now we're going to talk about angles. So complementary angles are 2 angles whose measures total 90 degrees. In the figure on the left below, angle PQR and angle RQS are complementary angles. Okay? Because together this forms a right angle. So both angles together are going to be complementary because they form 90 degrees. In the figure on the right, angle A and angle B are complementary angles. Because if we add them up, the 30 degrees plus 60 degrees, we get 90 degrees. So we say that angle A is the complement of angle B, and angle B is the complement of angle A. Okay? So remember, complementary angles are 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are 2 angles whose measures total 180 degrees. So right here, we have angle 1 and angle 2. They are supplementary because a straight line is 180 degrees, and the two angles form a straight line. Over here, angle A and B are supplementary because 105 plus 75 is 180 degrees. So angle A is a supplement of angle B is a supplement of angle A. You can say it either way. Notice B and C are supplements. A and D, C and D. Okay? As long as they add up to 180 degrees. So we have complementary and supplementary. To remember which one's 90 and 80, remember complementary, the C comes first in the alphabet, so it's less. Okay? And then for supplementary, the S comes later, so it's bigger. So it's 180 degrees. That might help you. Otherwise, just remember, complementary 90, supplementary 180. So looking at this example, on the figure at the right, angle RWT is a right angle. So I'm going to draw this to show that that's a right angle. So letter A says which angle is the supplement of RWS. So I want to know which angle is the supplement of this angle. Now remember, complements 90, supplements 180. So I want to know what angle with RWS is going to equal 180 degrees. So if we look, okay, we have a straight line right there. Okay, notice that QWR and RWS make that straight line. Okay, so I'm going to say that for A, the supplement of RWS is going to be angle QWR. Now I want to know what angle is the complement of RWS. Let me erase all my marks here. Okay, remember this is a right angle. I'm looking at RWS still. I want to know what angle with that angle is going to add up to 90 degrees. Well, we were told this was a right angle, so we want to use the angles that are in that right angle. So the other angle that goes with it to form this right angle is going to be angle SWT. Remember, I could write this as angle TWS. It means the same thing. Okay? So you got to remember, complements are 90, supplements 180. Go ahead, do the practice set. If you have any questions, bring them to class. We'll talk about them.